It's time for the Sea Lion Splash. This is Sea Lion leader Ryan McMillan with this week's announcements. 4th grade McGaw Strings rehearsal is on Monday at 2:30 p.m. The all-district orchestra performance is being held at Los Al's High School gym. You should check this out if you are interested in playing an instrument. Middle school counselors are coming to McGaw on Tuesday at 1. They will answer all your questions and get you ready for your next chapter in middle school. 5th grade McGaw Strings rehearsal is on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. Math lab is on Tuesday after school for 1st and 2nd grade. Go to room 30 and your teachers will take you to your classroom. Attention campers, the OSS closet will be open on Tuesday from 4 to 5. Come borrow some winter or snow gear by visiting Mr. Larson in the Cove. Project Seek's movie with the principal is on Wednesday at 1:30. Enjoy the show. On Thursday, all students will be dismissed at 12:30 p.m. Make sure you've got arrangements to be picked up. McGaw's STEM Fair is on Thursday at 5:30. Come early for open house and visit the media center to check it out. Open house is on Thursday at 6 p.m. Come celebrate all the great things happening at the school by the sea. Wear your Start with Hello shirt on Friday. Remember to introduce yourself and call people by their name. The snake tour is on Friday at 8 a.m. Enjoy the tour through each of the classrooms at McGaw. Spring break is finally here. Enjoy the entire week off between April 21st and April 25th. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week. I got a Robert.
Awesome. Yeah.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's go ahead and kick it off by celebrating UTK student from Mrs. Barr's class, Ryan Allen. Miss LaBounty said that Ryan was a model student today and really tried her best throughout the entire day. It's always great to hear about the future leaders of our school. Way to go.
Kindergarten.
Let's put our hands together to celebrate kindergarten student from Miss Sizemore's class, Aubrey Arguedas. Miss Martinez said that Aubrey was very kind to come help me when she saw that she dropped some drinks and needed some help. Thanks so much, Aubrey.
1st grade.
Congratulations to 1st grader Kaysen Hess. Mrs. Gardner said that Kaysen was so kind to a friend that was struggling during recess. Thanks for looking out for your best buds.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Lee wants to shout out super scholar Kalena Ayalin. She said this 2nd grader cares. She saw rappers blowing around the lunch tables while standing in line at lunch, so she did the right thing and picked them all up. Thank you so much for keeping the campus clean.
3rd grade.
Let's go ahead and celebrate 3rd grader Sophia Armendariz. Miss Jeter said that Sophie showed kindness to a student who was in need in the well space. We appreciate you.
4th grade.
Mrs. Seigan wants to shout out super scholar in 4th grade, Trey Barr. She said that Trey complimented a classmate during rehearsal for the music concert. Thanks so much, Trey.
5th grade.
And finally, McGaw legend, Linda Laparco wants to shout out 5th grader from Miss Almona's class, Ryder Rail. She said that Ryder is always helpful, he's thoughtful, and he does great things. One day, he sorted the share box and filled the sporks. Thanks so much, Ryder, for looking out for all your classmates. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!